Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word monitor. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The security guard kept a close eye on the monitor to watch for any suspicious activity. A monitor is a device used to display and track information, such as video footage or data, typically used for surveillance, observation, or control purposes. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.